Everyone is in online meetings today. It's a good thing, but it's also something that we have to get accustomed to. So in this video I give you 4 tips on how to upgrade your level in video backgrounds. And the first tip is that you can use the virtual background, of course, which Zoom offers with standard pictures, but you can also design your own design or your photo, upload your photo to stand out from the crowd and have a different background than anyone else. And perhaps we can get a little bit more creative than the standard grass photo in Zoom or the Golden Gate Bridge, because it kind of looks like a CAPTCHA. So you can design something creative in Canva or in Photoshop, or upload your own picture, design it in your own corporate identity, use your logo or just a bright color, whatever you like. The second tip is the banner. You can pull up this roll banner behind you, you have an instant background and nobody sees what your office looks like in real life. You can design one yourself and have it printed and delivered to your home, or you can just buy one as is. The third tip is your own studio setup. You can paint your walls, add some frames, figure out your lighting, and of course your fourth strategy could be, I don't care about this, don't bother me with this, but I bought a lamp so my face is well lit. So there you have it. 4 approaches to fixing your background. Choose a virtual one or design one yourself and upload it. Use a banner behind you and hide your office. Design your own studio setup, or just buy a lamp and have your face well lit. Hope this helps. See you next time.